Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get the Shinigami race in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin. If you're trying to unlock one of the strongest races in the game, this guide will help you understand exactly what to do. First of all, you need to get race rolls. These are the key items required to change or re-roll your current race. You can obtain race rolls by defeating NPCs and especially world bosses. Bosses usually have a higher drop rate, so they are the best way to farm quickly. Some of the most commonly farmed bosses include Sukuna, Gojo, and Ragna. By repeatedly defeating these bosses, you can collect more race rolls in less time, which increases your chances of getting the race you want. Once you have collected enough race rolls, simply use them to re-roll your race. Keep in mind that getting Shinigami is completely based on luck, so you may need to re-roll multiple times before you finally unlock it. Just keep using your race rolls again and again until you get Shinigami. Now, let's talk about why Shinigami is worth it. This race gives you some powerful boosts, including around 50% increased max health, 45% increased damage, and an extra 20% damage boost when using the Aizen sword. These buffs make it one of the strongest and most desired races in the game. So overall, your main focus should be farming bosses, collecting as many race rolls as possible, and then continuously re-rolling until you get Shinigami. It might take some time, but with enough effort, you'll eventually unlock it. And that's it. This is how you can get the Shinigami race in Sailor Peace on Roblox. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.